We are so blessed to have our brothers and sisters from the Christian community and many churches. Bless each one of them and their families so they all continue to serve humanity, serve each other. May this Gurdwara be a beacon of hope for many families. Bless all the families who are going through this very, very difficult time. Give them all the support. Bless their hearts, bless their bodies, bless their minds.
Loving and abundant God, your presence is among us as we build friendships with our friends, as we're humbled by their amazing hospitality, and as we're reminded by how you measure us is how we love and serve one another. Please be with everyone today. Please be with those that we are serving. Please be with this world that is in such great need of more love and attention.
Good morning, my brothers and sisters of the Sikh community. I thank you. I bring greetings from People's Congregation, No United Church of Christ, where we believe in one God, one people, and one love. You all are my brothers and my sisters, and I give thanks and praises, especially on this Mother's Day.
So this is after all the cleanup is done. Many of the volunteers come here to clean these big pots. So we are so fortunate to have volunteers, not just from the Sikh community, but from United Church of Christ. The church group are coming here helping to clean the dishes at the Gurdwara side. Isn't that amazing? Hi sir, how are you?
Hey, hello again.
So what do you feel? How do you feel by doing this?
I'm learning. It's something new. It's good. I've never seen pots this big, so it's a good experience.
Okay, so this is Sunny who is trying to guide them. Sunny has been coming here every week. Sunny, so could you tell us what you're doing right now?
Hi guys, we're just cleaning up the pots. Sewa has been done this morning, cooking all the meals. So we're just end up cleaning up. Nice volunteers come in and help us out every this Sunday.